name is Nur Iman bin Muhammad Khir. My matrix number 01 DEE25F1145.
My name is Muhammad Azimil Umar Azman, and my matrix number is 01 DE251144.
For the first, we need to make sure the multimeter in a good condition. Second, we need to make sure the needle can be set to 0 and the probe are not damaged. Third, correct function and range. As we want to measure resistance, so we need to turn the selector to ohmmeter. Always use higher range to avoid the needle from slamming to the end. And then, for the fourth, we need to put the probe correctly for the blade probe to the comb at the left side and the red probe to the MA terminal at the right side. And lastly, after finish the measure, we need to turn the selector to off or the high range and put to the right place. So as we can see, we got two resistance for the calculate or measure the resistance. We got R1 and R2, and then we need to selector to the ohm because we need to measure the resistance. Take the negative probe multimeter, also positive, and then do the zero adjustment until it came to 0, and then we can do the R total. So the probe positive go to the A point, which is at the positive R1, and then terminal negative to the point B, which is negative R2. Then we got the value. So to measure R1 value, we take positive and negative multimeter and put on the resistor R1, positive and negative, and we got the value. For the R2, it's a same step as R1. We take positive and negative multimeter and put on positive and negative resistor of R2, and we got the value.